So you're thinking about starting a Shopify store. Maybe you've got an idea or you just want to see how it all works. Either way, this video is going to walk you through the basics step by step. I'll show you how to set up your store, add products, and get things looking clean, even if you've never done this before. And if you want to follow along, there's a free Shopify trial linked in the description below this video. It's a really great way to try out Shopify and get an idea of how everything works. So let's not waste any more time. I'm going to hand things off so you can see exactly how to set everything up step by step.
The settings section of your Shopify has lots of important sections, and it's also where you'll be able to see your bill and many other important things. So take a look and make sure you know where everything's located for future reference. Now I'm going to show you how to add a new product to your website. To add a new product, you're going to want to click on Products in the left menu, then click Add Product on the top right. Give your title a clear name, not too long, and a compelling product description. You'll want to upload high quality product photos that are all in the same format. I recommend at least 3 to 5 product photos per listing. Normally, when you're editing or adding a new product listing, you'll keep the product on draft until you're ready to publish it to the website. Next, you'll want to set your price, and if you need to, you can also set at a compare price. Now we can add inventory. Make sure your inventory is correct, and if you need to add another location, you can do so in the settings. Next, you can add a variant if your product has that, and if you don't see the specific variant you need, you can create your own. Don't forget to hit save every time you make an edit to your product. Once you've finished all of these steps, your product is now ready to go live. Click on the right upper corner and hit active. That way, when you create a collection, you'll be able to add the product to the collection page and it will be seen on the website. If you're not ready for your product to be live on the website just yet, you can either set it to draft or you can schedule a time for it to go live. Just click on the little calendar and you can simply schedule a date and time for it to automatically go live on your website. Click schedule publishing and it will automatically go live at that certain time. Next, I'll show you how to create a collection. Click on products and then under products, you'll click on collections. Now you'll click on create collection on the top right corner. Next, you're going to want to name your new collection. Something such as bestsellers, new arrivals, or whatever collection you want to create. The description will be optional, but it can help with SEO. Please keep in mind your description could show up on your collection page for anyone to see. I always set my collection type to manual and manually add what products I want. Or you can use conditions to automate that. I also recommend adding an image to represent your collection. This image will be the main image of your collection if you decide to display a collection on your website on the home page. Don't forget to click save. You can also preview your collection by clicking on view to see how it will look on your website. Now I'm going to show you how to create pages such as About Me and frequently asked questions on your website. To get here, you click on Online Store, Pages, and then Add a Page. You're going to want to give your page a title and a description. And don't forget to always press save when you're done. Make sure the page is visible so that you can add it to your menu. Next, we're going to add a menu to your online store. Click on Content, then Menus. Then you're going to want to create a menu on the top right corner. These are the menus I currently have on my website. You're going to want to give your menu a name, such as Homepage, Main Menu, whatever you'd like. Then you're going to add menu items. This is where you'll be able to link collections, pages, and anything else you want showing up on your menu on your home page of your website. Here I'm adding what I want to be on my main menu and linking the corresponding collection to the title. I will do this over and over until I have each menu item that I want to be shown on my website. When we go to edit our theme, that is when we'll be able to add this menu to the website. Now I'll show you where you'll edit your theme. You're going to click on Online Store, and then under that is Theme. Here you'll find free themes or themes you can pay for. Once you choose a theme you like, you're going to add it, and then you're going to want to click Customize. You'll also be able to view the theme in desktop version and mobile version by clicking on the top and toggling between those buttons. It's very important for your theme to look good on mobile because more than 50% of users shop on their mobile device. To set up your logo or site name, go to Customize under your theme. This is the Boho theme. You're going to want to find your header section and then see this is where you'll select your image to add your logo to the header of your website. If you don't have a logo, you can simply enter your store name as a test. Don't forget to click Save every time you make a new change on your theme. Under the header, you'll also be able to control and add your menu to your website. Mine is already on there, but you easily can link it just by clicking that button and selecting your menu. Now I'll show you how to add a section to your website. You'll go on the left-hand side and scroll to the bottom. Click on Add Section. We're going to add a featured collection. You can drag this anywhere you want it to be onto your website by dragging it upwards. Once you've dragged your collection into the correct position on your website, you'll want to click on that and give it a title. I'm naming this one Bestsellers because I'm going to link my Bestsellers collection. Once you select the correct collection, it will automatically populate into the website. Don't forget to click Save. On this theme and many other themes, you can make an announcement such as a sale or any important information you have for your customers. Simply click on the header, and on the left, you'll be able to type in what you want to announce. You can also link a collection or a page to this announcement. You're also going to be able to change your hero image by clicking on it, and on the left, you'll be able to change it and select from your library of any hero images that you want to upload. Don't forget to make a different hero image size for your mobile website as your desktop website. In this section, you'll also be able to link collections or pages to your hero image. Once your website is ready to go live and everything is done being edited, you're going to click Publish on the top right corner, and your website will officially be live. With these steps, you should be on your way to having a successful Shopify store. I hope you learned something new and feel confident taking the next steps to grow your business.